Good morning student. Now we are going to see how to install Django. For Django you have to install Python 8.3.8 or any other version, 3.x version. Now in our previous lecture we have already installed Python 3.8.5 or any updated version. Now for this, first of all, if you have installed your Python, you can check your Python by typing here Python command. Now you can see that here Python 3.8.5. This is your Python installed version. Now you can see here Python 3.8.5 are written. Now to install your Django, first of all we have to install your virtual environment, and we have already installed your virtual environment. Now if we are going to install our virtual environment in E drive and Pi project, we have installed in E drive Pi project, then first of all we have to move to our directory E drive. Then if we have moved the E drive, then we are going to move in that folder where our project is created. Then we have to move our folder Pi project. ऑलरेडी आपको प्रीवियस वीडियो में हमने एक्सप्लेन कर दिया है कि हमने सीधी पाई प्रोजेक्ट इसी ड्राइव में हमने अपना प्रोजेक्ट क्रिएट किया था. Now move to this folder and now we are going to activate our virtual environment. We have created the virtual environment in our previous lecture. To activate our virtual environment, we have to type the command venv, that means virtual environment, then slash script. You have to write script slash activate. This is the command we have to type on your prompt box or CMD box. Now you can see that this is the command to activate your virtual environment. Now you can see that you have already typed the command, then press enter. Now you can see that your virtual environment is activated. Now you can see that your virtual environment is created. Now we have to install Django. Then we have to write the command pip install Django. Now must be sure your system is connected to your internet. Okay.
सर वो जो इससे पहले नहीं एरर आ रहा था सर जो आप
now type this command and you should ensure your system is connected to your internet and press enter. I have already installed the Django, that's why I am not going to press enter. So if we have installed Django or going to download Django, then press enter. Now you can see that here we get the output requirement already satisfied. This is why, because I have already installed the Django in my system. That's why I will get this. If we are going to download it first time, then we will get the message like downloading and we have the downloaded. After that we have to write the command Django as admin -admin start project. Now here project name, suppose that I have created project my web. This is the my web project. Now press enter. Now your project will be created. My web project will be created. Now come to our project folder, then type cd and our project name, my web project. Now here we can run the server. Now we have to run our server using this command, python manage.py run server. Now press enter. This will activate a server for your project where you can run your project. Now you will get the IP address. This is your IP address. Now copy this IP address. See here. Now you have to copy this address and open your browser. Now I have opened our browser and click on and paste the IP address and press enter. Now you will get this message, the install worked successfully, congratulations. This, when you will get this page, then it shows that your server is working properly, your project is created successfully, and now you can work with your project. After doing up to this step, यहाँ तक करने के बाद अब हम अपने पाइचम आईडीएलई को ओपन करेंगे एंड देन वी हैव टू क्रिएट आवर web page and we have to run the our project. So this is the step to install Django and run the server. This is your by default web home page of your web project 1. ये आपके web project 1 का by default यहाँ पे क्या है, ये पेज है. Now this is your default page. In our next lecture, we will see about how to work with the project.